What's up, guys? Welcome back. Sorry I've been on a little hiatus. Been working and taking care of the baby and everything, so it's kind of been a little hectic. But been ordering a few things here and there for the vet. I got my cam kit in from Brian Tooley Racing. It's gonna be I got it at Force Fed. It's an A&A supercharger cam, blah blah blah, and all the specs. I'm not gonna go over all the specs, but they do offer the cam, and I'm gonna see what results it makes. Basically, I'm gonna leave everything stock, throw a supercharger and a cam kit on, and tune it with the flex fuel on E85. See what kind of power it makes. But yeah, let's go open up these boxes, see what I got. Make sure the guy didn't send me a bunch of bricks or something with packing peanuts. Whoa. So no packing peanuts, he just sent me a bunch of envelopes. Whatever, it works. Yeah, it's just all the tubing right there. A couple brackets. Some pipes. An air filter? No, catch can? Here's the catch can. Oh, no, that's the fuel pressure thing. No, it ain't. What is this? Wash valve? I don't know what that is. Did one heck of a job taping this thing up, though. I can tell you that. So that's fuel. Probably the injectors right here. Yeah, injectors. Won't be needing those. I don't know what size they are. I don't know. It don't matter. I won't use them. I'm going to order some new ones, probably fuel injector dynamics or something. 100 pound-hour, 1000 cc's. Oh, there's the intake from the intercooler to the intake. That's the piping for that. And I need to order a new one of those. The LS2 is smaller than the LS3 ones. It's the only difference in the LS2 and the LS3 kits from what Procharger told me. Some vacuum hose. Like some spacers and stuff. There's the air filter goes on the head unit. open up box number 2. I think it's just like some brackets in the intercooler and whatnot. Yeah, this is the piece that goes over the radiator cover. Air filter goes in there, and it comes up from the intercooler mount here, and the intake pipe will come that way. Alright, box number 3 should be the head unit and maybe a couple other brackets. Yeah. That's the head unit for sure. Use some like sticky bubble wrap. Oh yeah, alright. A little dirty, but that's alright, I cleaned it up. Try and get it painted black anyway. It's powder coated, but that's a spinny boy. Gonna make my retirement vehicle fast. Ought to be fun install. If I have time to do it, I'll do it. If not, ought to be fun to do. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and get Force Fed to install it for me. Hate to do that though, because I just feel like I can do it. I just don't have the time right now. It's alright. We'll work on it. Another concern I had with this head unit was that it might have some shaft play I wasn't aware of or anything like that, but upon further inspection, that sucker is tight. Spins good. Oh, I can feel the boost. Whew. So fast. But yeah, it should be fine. I'm probably gonna end up sending it off to get rebuilt and upgraded later anyway. I plan on maybe upgrading it to a D1X. It's really not that bad of a deal to upgrade it, and it's basically they redo the bearings, all that stuff. So it's basically a brand new head unit. The only thing that I would have used on it, that would be used, would be the bracketry, which not too shabby, but well, and the intercooler, but whatever, it's nothing. But yeah, I mean, kit seems pretty complete from what I can tell. I'm not really an expert on Procharger or anything like that, so I'm gonna take it all up to Justin, let him check it out, make sure everything's on the up and up, everything's where it needs to be. But yeah, man, awesome. So pumped up. Cam kit came in yesterday at Force Fed. They've got it up there. Hopefully next coming weeks me and my dad can put that in. Yeah, way to go, awesome. Got a really good deal on it, so I'm pretty happy about it. Thanks for tuning in.
Quick update I forgot about as well, coming to the channel. Before I got the vet a while back, a couple years ago, I started building a single cab short bed GMC Sierra. I was going to do a twin turbo kit on it and just throw the kitchen sink at it, basically. Just do as much horsepower as I can get out of the thing type of build. Forged 5.3, stock crank, which those are good for like 1,500 horsepower to the crank, if you want to understand. And I got forged pistons from Wiseco, made for boost. I got forged connecting rods, chromoly push rods, it works. A buddy of mine in South Carolina was supposed to be putting it together for me, but some things kind of fell through with that, and I'm going to be getting it back here in the next coming weeks. And I'm going to start a whole build series on that. It was a V6 truck. I bought it off Copart. It ran and drove fine, just had a few body damages here and there. But, like it needed a new windshield, stuff like that. It wasn't totaled. I mean, it was totaled, but it wasn't. Like, no frame damage, no nothing. But me and my buddy pulled the engine transmission out. I've got a built 4L80 going in it, nice converter going in it. It ought to be a pretty fun truck when it's done. I'm not really sure what type of ETs it'll be getting on the drag strip or anything, but it ought to be a fun one. I'm going to do a whole build series on it. I'm going to obviously probably skip the engine build series because I already did it. But I do need to put a new cam in it because I put LS6 cam in it, but I'm going to end up going with the Brian Tooley's twin turbo cam that they have. So I'm going to go ahead and get all that straightened out. I'm going to do the vent first, put the Procharger on, cam, exhaust, tune. I'm going to do the series on that, and then I'm going to jump into the truck after that on my free time. Which, if you know me, I don't have a whole lot of that, but we'll work into it. But, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.